Have you ever experienced an eerie humming sound that seems to come from nowhere? This phenomenon, reported in various locations worldwide, is known as the Taos hum and has puzzled experts for decades. In Taos, New Mexico, residents describe a low-frequency noise that many can hear, yet remains undetectable to others. Some theories suggest it could be linked to geological activity, industrial operations, or even top-secret military projects. Intriguingly, similar sounds have been reported in Canada, the UK, and even around the globe. Despite numerous investigations, the true source of the hum remains elusive, sparking theories from the plausible to the paranormal. What could be causing this mysterious sound?